We gave our apartment a 30-day notice before we even knew we had the house. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how I bought a house while in nursing school. I was super excited and totally unexpected and not planned. So at the beginning of this year, we thought about buying a house once our rent went up in our 1-bedroom apartment. We were like, we got to do something. We planned on buying a house like mid-summer while I was not in nursing school or towards the end of the year. So sometime in between there, we planned on buying a house. It did not happen that way. We literally bought a house in 1 month. And when I say 1 month, I'm talking about from looking at houses to signing day. It was very quick. I think that was the quickest home buying process. Being in school and looking at houses and trying to get finances right before buying a house. We always been looking at houses on Zillow, not really the intent to buy. Really got serious looking at houses beginning of February. He kind of did the process backwards. We were looking at houses before we even got pre-approved for a house. A family member put us in contact with a realtor, and he was like, okay, if you're serious about this, the first step is to get pre-approved for the house. Getting everything we needed for pre-approval was so stressful. I take that back. The time between finding a house and closing date is the most stressful because so many things can happen. The loan mortgage person, she would ask for things like from 2 years ago, 2018 tax return, bank statements, had to write a letter on why I spent the money the way I spent it, where did that expense go to, basically justifying the money. If we got a gift from someone, we had to justify that. They had to write a letter. Very stressful. I would get calls like while I'm in class and I really couldn't focus because I'm worried about, oh, did that go through? Did they get that email? Like it was just so much. We got pre-approved for the house. We finally started going to look at houses with our realtor that were in our price range. I enjoyed looking at different houses and see what I like in a house, what I didn't like. Now we get into inspection day. I'm gonna insert a clip here.
Inspections are over and they weren't as bad as I thought, which was great. I had 3 guys come out, the HVAC guy, the termite guy, and the home inspection guy. All 3 printed off reports, which I really liked, was very detailed. It goes over like the descriptions of things that were defective or wrong, what you need to get fixed before moving into the house or stuff you can kind of wait on, colored pictures. Other than that, inspections went well and I'm so excited. We're a few weeks from closing date and I'll keep you guys updated.
On inspection day, it rained. It poured. I was so upset. I was like, oh my gosh, like this is the worst day to have an inspection. But apparently, according to my realtor, it's actually the best day because you can see if water gets under the house, which is it's not supposed to. And you can see how the water flows in the yard, stuff like that. So he made me feel a lot better about it. The inspectors went through the house. It was a really quick process. Like I explained, we have 3 different people come out. Go from there, your realtor is there with you to help you because I didn't know what to expect. I don't know what was good or bad or what we could negotiate. So my realtor did a really good job. During inspections, I was so nervous. I was like, what if the house is just crap under the house and we just don't know it? So it was just a bunch of thoughts running through my mind. And then the next day, I actually had a test. So after inspections, I'm like, okay, I got to study. I got to get my mind right. So it was like a complete shift during studying and trying not to focus on the house while I was studying. Managing those 2 was very tough for me because all I wanted to do was focus on the house. I wanted to look at things to buy for the house, and we didn't even have the house yet. So it was a time. Then we had signing day. I will insert a clip.
Okay, I'm popping in. Today is the day that we signed for the house. I'm so excited. We're not packed. Normally I don't like doing things last minute, but it's just been so busy and everything's just happening so fast. I'm still in nursing school. But we're going to get it done. I have plenty of help coming. We get in the truck and I'll take y'all along with me.
And while inspections and appraisals are happening, we're still having to do background work. Like we're still having to turn in things to our mortgage loaner, making sure we process the loan correctly and how much the loan will be and the taxes and the county we live in. And it was a lot. I'm not gonna lie. The seller, he wanted to sell by the end of March. We asked could he push back the date because we wanted to save up more money, and he wasn't having it, y'all. And we really wanted the house, so we're like, okay, we got to get everything done by the end of March. Everyone was working hard and working fast. We had so many great people surrounding us. Since we were buying a home during COVID, it was totally different. I was a little bit upset about that. So basically only the necessary people could be there. And then they changed the rules because, you know, back in March, week by week, everything was changing. So when we actually got to sign-in day, we couldn't even go in the building. We literally had to sign on top of a car. It definitely wasn't what I expected. We got the keys, so I was happy, but we didn't get to like take pictures with the sold sign, you know, stuff like that. I wanted to be cute, so I don't have any pictures of like house sold or would I really return the keys. I don't have any cute pictures. Enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.